Bonjour, can you see I'm back with another video of pronopersonnel. But what is the difference today? In today's video, I'm going to cover double placement. Yes, till my last video, we were doing single placement. But from today, we're going to start with double placement. So let's just see. Can you see the first sentence? Vous donnez cette lettre au professeur. So double placement means two nouns will be there. Can you see? Two nouns are there. Cette lettre. When you see the sentence till here, there is no preposition. That means it's the case of COD. Très bien. And when you see here, au professeur. This is the case of A plus person. This is the case of COI. So in our order, we are going to write COD first. For cette lettre, it will be la. For au professeur, it will be Louis, and then donner. Vous la Louis donner. Clear? Next part. Marianne a acheté des disques. So which are the two different nouns here? One is Marianne and one is des disques. So Marianne is in the starting of the sentence. That means it's a pronom sujet. Très bien. Elle and des disques. Des disques. D preposition and a thing is there. That means we're going to write en. Keep revising from my previous videos. Elle en a acheté. I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the third one. Mes parents penseront beaucoup à Paul. In my last video, I've covered this concept, penser. Penser followed with person, it's always 100% pronom tonique. Très bien. So, mes parents will be replaced by ils. Ils penseront. Penseront, can you see? It's given in which tense? Futur simple. So, you are also going to write futur simple. Ça va? Ils penseront beaucoup à Paul. I hope that you are writing along with me side by side in your practice notebook. Next one. Je veux manger une glace au restaurant. So, which are the two different nouns? Une glace au restaurant. So, article indéfini. Article indéfini will be replaced with en. Très bien. And au restaurant, it's a place. So, it's going to replace with e. And in the list, we're going to write e first and en later. Can you see the structure of the sentence? It's a two verbs concept. So, in two verbs concept, we write it in between. So, je veux e en manger une. You have to copy indefinite article also. Next part. Peter a pris cette lettre. So, Peter will be replaced with il. Cette lettre. Il n'y a pas de préposition. There is no preposition. So, it's going to be replaced with COD. Très bien. So, il l'a pris with an E. Ça va? With an E. Why E? Because lettre is feminine and we put accords in passé composé. Next part, Sophie est allée à la campagne. So, Sophie will be replaced with elle. Can you see the structure? It is passé composé, and in passé composé we write the pronom before the first verb. So, à la campagne will be replaced with E. L-E-A aller. It's always advisable that you can just note down the question first, solve it yourself, come back to this video again and then check the answers from here. So keep practicing. We'll do more of this, and if you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help. Au revoir.